real quick and apologize for the last video. I'm trying a new new editing program, and I ain't quite got it figured out yet. So that little right towards the end, it like loaded two sections up twice, the same thing twice. I apologize for that. I'll get all that figured out. Just be patient with me. But anyway, last night we went and watched some fireworks. We had a good time. Had them right here local. Actually, the RV park we're staying in had them. It was a pretty good show. I didn't get no footage of it because I didn't have an SD card for my camera. It was currently being used, and trying to get that uploaded last night. Just things didn't work out right. So what I thought I'd do today, here in my little backyard, my jungle, I figured we'll just have a little celebration right here. We'll just put on a little fireworks show right here. So yeah, we get started on that. Let's see. There's nothing else I was wanting to say, I don't think. Yeah, but I messed up on the video. I'll try not to do that again. And so I figured, since I didn't get no footage last night, we'll just come out here and have one right now. You can probably see them. I know it's daylight, but you can probably see them. Okay, let's get started on this. Ready? Well, I guess that about wraps it up. We'll see y'all folks later.